Hey YouTubers, this is the Fishing Educator. We are out here today on Dale Hollow Lake. Going to show you some adventures around Dale Hollow, things about Dale Hollow. Trophy smallmouth lake, trophy walleye lake up here on the border of Tennessee and Kentucky. We got a fish on here right now. I'm going to show you in this video when we get this fish in, plus some of the sights and scenes around this area. It's a beautiful place. Some of the cleanest water in the country. And as I'm reeling this in, this is a really big fish, so I probably need to focus and concentrate, because right now that's a big fish, so let's see if we can get this one in. It's on the old slide diver. That white belly, is it?
No.
No, I think it's a bass. Huge bass. Yeah, it's a huge bass. It's got a big old mouth. Oh my gosh. Okay, bring it in. Got it.
Ooh.
Balls. Holy crap! That is my biggest bass ever right there. That's why you come to Dale Hollow, for trophy fish like this. Back up. Alright, we got another one on here, kids. This one just ripped a bunch of drag off. Usually that's a sign of a drum, but maybe bigger. This one here, an outside board. Got a Rapala on there down about 30 feet. What's our speed, Cappy? 2.3? 2.3. I just was changing a lure out on another rod, and a lot of times when that happens, you get one that goes. This is a big fish. He buried that board. You know, one of the great things about Dale Hollow is this lake's been impounded since the 1940s. It was one of the first ones impounded, and the fish in here are just so big. There's lots of bait. We've been marking bait all day. It's been kind of a slow morning, but you just got to wait it out. The fish will turn on. As I always like to say, if you're going to make a mistake, at least be where there's fish, or at least where you're marking fish. Like that National Geographic show, you're hunting tuna. It's like, get the gaff ready. Hey, do you want to go all the way back on speed? Yeah, back off and just get us on a good trajectory. Yeah, I'm 30 feet back here. I haven't seen the fish yet. .22 Piper. Okay.
Ooh.
Back there, flash. We got it. Piper needs you. Okay, coming. Flathead. Where you want him? Where you want him? Over here. Okay. Get that rod out of the way. Hurry up. No channel. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Get him up. Good job, boys. Nice channel cat. Got a little lipstick here. He'll be alright. He'll be alright. We'll let her go. Alright, good fish. Probably move that hat. Let's just tell you how big that thing is, how long it is. You know, 31 inches.
31 inches.
Probably in that 10, 12 pound range. 31 inches.
Good eating.
Good eating. Alright, so one of the places you can come when you're here at Dale Hollow is Ollie's place. I'm going to show you the menu here in just a second. It's home of the Elephant Burger. Burger that's about that big. I'll show you this here in just a second. But one of the definite places that we stop when we're here. One of the ways you'll know Ollie's is by the big elephant. You can see the big elephant over here. So Ollie's has the elephant out front. Lots of nice burgers, good breakfast here, friendly folks. Again, come on, stop by Ollie's place. A little taste of soul. All right, YouTubers, another place you can visit here at Dale Hollow anytime you're around is the Dale Hollow National Fish Hatchery. I want to show you some fish. This is a really cool place. Over here you're going to see they actually stock fish, raise fish, and put them in the Obey River. Also put them in Dale Hollow and other places all throughout Tennessee. This is a national fish hatchery, not a state one, so it's kind of unique. Let's go check it out. So you got, different trout down here. I don't know what kind these are, but you can see they progressively get bigger as they go from container to container to container. You'll see the water is filtered. This water is actually pulled from the bottom of Dale Hollow Lake, where it's ice cold water for these trout. It's about 92 degrees out today, so that water is very cool, to say the least. Let's look at some other fish over here. A little bit bigger fish. Slow movement. Alright, so if you look over here, you will see nets. There are nets up in the air. Those nets are to keep the eagles out. And you can see it's pretty big. You can take a tour inside the building. The building is over here. They have information in there. It is closed right now. But the last thing I want to show you is something very unique. So let's go this way. Come on. Alright, so the most coolest part of this place is this tank right here. It's the first tank. When you walk in, it's to the left, very first tank. It's basically all of the hybrids type fish. So we're talking rainbow trout hybrids. We're talking about albinos. We're talking about rainbows, browns, lake trout. There's a couple of blue. Look at this one here. Blue. Just a blue rainbow trout down there. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Brook trout, big ones. These are the trout that they actually stock here. Let me rephrase that. These are the trout that they actually raise here. They don't stock them all in Dale Hollow. Dale Hollow has rainbow trout, and maybe some brown trout as well. I'm not exactly sure on that. But brook trout, look at that one. I mean, just a tank. Tankosaurus. Look at the tank. Ooh. Okay. A little bug up there, huh?
Yeah.
A little bugaboo?
Yep.
Kind of show you how the packed column works here. So the water flows from Dale Hollow Reservoir to a strainer unit where large objects are prevented from passing through and plugging up water supplies in the hatchery. Once through the strainer unit, the water makes its way to packed columns mounted at the heads of the outdoor raceways. You can kind of see it down here at the bottom. That's where they're pulling that water up, and they strain it through and it becomes ice cold water. You can see the pumps over here. It's great. So be sure to stop by the fish hatchery when you're here at Dale Hollow. Got a little bow? I think so. Just get him in here.
That's bow.
No. Is it?
Yep.
Get him in here. There you go.
There we go.
Hey, that's a respectable fish. On what?
Monkey puke scores.
Monkey puke scores.
good one.
Yeah.
Monkey puke. Want to show him the lure?
Yeah. The old what?
Monkey puke.
Monkey puke scores again.
Ooh. There we go.
Ooh, walleye. Yes, nice. That's nice. You might have another head shake in him, but be careful with those right there. You will only put your thumb once, and then you won't do it again. Nice walleye. Now, smallmouth. Steer that thing right to there. Don't miss him, Jacob. Okay, and dip him. There you go. Nice. What do you got? Holy crap! Big old bucket mouth again.
Drop him.
Get him. Yeah, just grab him, Kuiper. Yeah.
You got all of it.
Yeah, he did. Hold that up.
I think that's bigger than one yesterday.
Holy moly. There we go. Fight. I can mark that spot. Well, we're out here on day 2. Got another nice fish on a slide diver. Monkey puke again. Monkey puke seems to be the lure of choice when you are in need of a fish, like we are. Had a pretty good trip. Gonna head home here in just a couple hours. Want to thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like watching these videos and our adventures all over the Southeast, from Tennessee to Kentucky to Georgia, and even an occasional trip to the great state of Wisconsin. This is a good fish. This one hit. See, this one was set at 105, probably around 25 feet down this fish came. Let's see what it is. Probably got about 30 feet left. Speed on this was about 2.4 on a slide diver. There he is. No, I don't think so. That's got a walleye jump to it. Let's go ahead and Kuiper. It's something. See what it is here, kids.
Looks to be a smallmouth, I think.
Nice smallie.
There we go.
There we go. That's what we're talking about right there. Would you hold that, please, sir? Grab the wheel. That's a respectable smallmouth. The hook just fell right out.
I got it.
There you go. Nice smallmouth right there. You will notice his eye. He's actually blind. But again, good smallmouth there.